Welcome to Red River Valley Tutoring Tutor Time. I am Mrs. Rempel, and today we're going to be talking about skip counting. We do a lot of skip counting practicing here at the office, and I know you guys do a lot in class too. It's a really important math skill. The only problem with skip counting is that it can get a little boring. Sometimes we just rush right through it without even realizing that we're making some mistakes. So what we need to do is find some fun ways to slow that skip counting down so we can correct our mistakes. And then we can skip count fast and we can be correct at the same time. So today I'm going to give you 3 little activities that you can easily do at home to make it fun to slow down the skip counting. For our first activity, our first tip, all you need is something squishy. So what I've done is taken our squishy stuff and rolled it into some little balls and made a little trail on the table. And we are going to squish each ball as we skip count in sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That slows us down just enough to make sure that we don't make mistakes. For our next trick, you are going to need a bingo dabber, whatever color you like or whatever one is lying around the house, and some paper, and that's it. For this trick, all we're going to do is bingo dab as we count along. 1 dab for each number in the sequence. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. There you go. You've slowed yourself down just enough so that you do them all correctly, and maybe you even have the start of a little art project for later on in the day. Now for this next trick, you are going to need a few more things. I've got an old math folder that I'm going to use. You can use a book, something that stands up that you can hide something behind. You're also going to need a tin container, something that makes kind of a nice metallic sound, and you're going to need some nickels and some dimes. This is a great activity to do with someone else. So if there's someone else there with you, someone else at home that can help you out with this, have them have a look at the video, and it's something fun that you can do together. So this is the third trick, and it's my favorite. It's a lot of fun to do with a partner. First, you're going to stand your folder up on the table or your book or whatever it is that you grabbed, because you're going to want to hide your metal tin behind it. We are going to count these dimes into the metal tin, and every time our partner hears one of the coins drop into the tin, they're going to say the next number in the 10 sequence. So try it with me. I'm going to count by 10s to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That slows you down just enough to make you really think about the next number in the sequence. Once you get really good at counting along with the coins dropping into the metal tin, you can try counting in your head and see if you come up with the same number that your partner did. Let's try it counting by 5s with nickels. You ready? Did you get 35? If you did, then good job. If you didn't, rewind the video and try it again and see if you can get it. So those are our 3 tips and tricks for slowing down skip counting. I hope you had a little bit of fun, and let me know if you try them out in the comments. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see in a video in the comments. And thanks so much for watching Tutor Time. I am Mrs. Rempel from Red River Valley Tutoring.